Good morning, students. Welcome to online classes of St. Joseph's Academy. I am Akanksha, your maths teacher. Today, we are going to start exercise 6D. Let's start. In this exercise, we are having different type of questions which we have to simplify. And you know very well that to simplify a numeric expression, we have to apply BODMAS. BODMAS means you have to solve the bracket first, then off, then division, then multiplication, addition, and at the last you have to solve subtraction. Let's understand with the help of question. So the question is you have to solve 5 times 8 plus 7 times 9. So we have to do the multiplication first. As I told you, we have to apply BODMAS. So 5 times 8 is 40. Then we write the plus sign as it is and copy 7 times 9. Now you copy 40 as it is, then plus, and 7 times 9 is 63. Now we are having 40 plus 63, and that will be equals to 103. So this is our answer for the first question. Now let's see the B part. That is 12 times 7 plus 13 times 8. Now again we have to apply BODMAS. So we'll do the multiplication first. So 12 times 7 is 84 plus 13 times 8. Now in the next step we'll solve 13 times 8. 84 plus 13 times 8 is 104. Now in the next step we have to add 84 and 104. So after adding both the numbers we get 188. So this is our answer. Now our next question, question number C, is 16 times 6 plus 14 times 1. So again apply the same BODMAS. 16 times 6 is 96 plus 14 times 1. Now in the next step we'll solve 14 times 1. So write down 96 as it is and the plus sign. Now 14 times 1 is 14 only. So now solve 96 plus 14, which is equals to 110. 110 is the answer of this numeric expression. Now question number 2, A part. This is also again a numeric expression and we have to apply the BODMAS. Now in this question we are having 8 times 7. 8 multiplied by 7, or you can say 8 times 7 minus 4 times 5. So 8 times 7 is 56. Now we are having minus sign. So write minus sign as it is and 4 times 5. Now next we solve 4 into 5. Or you can say 4 multiply 5, or you can say 4 times 5. 56 minus 4 multiply 5 is 20. Now we have to subtract There is no addition, so we'll straight away go for the subtraction. 56 minus 20, which is equals to 36. So 36 is our answer for this numeric expression. Now let's see the B part of question number 2 of our exercise 6D, that is 18 multiplied by 7 minus 14 multiplied by 8. Now we solve 18 multiplied by 7 first, which is equals to 126. Just multiply 18 and 7, you get 126. Now copy down the minus sign as it is. Now we are having 14 multiplied by 8. Now in the next step we will solve 14 multiplied by 8. So 126 minus 14 multiplied by 8, or you can say 14 times 8 is 112. So after subtracting 126 and 112, we get 14, which is our answer. Now C part is of question number 2. C part is 20 multiplied by 6 minus 16 multiplied by 2. Again we will apply the BODMAS. When we are having multiple operations in a expression, we have to apply the BODMAS always. So we'll do according to the BODMAS. We have to do the multiplication first. So 20 multiplied by 6 is 120 minus 16 multiplied by 2. Now we'll solve 16 multiplied by 2 in the next step. Children, don't skip any step. You have to write each and every step so that you will not do any mistake. So to avoid your mistakes, don't skip any step. Okay. Now come back to the question. 120 minus 16 times 2 is 32. Now we subtract 120 and 32. So after subtracting, we get our answer, which is equals to 88. So 88 is the answer of this given numeric expression. Now see question number 3, A part, which is again we have to simplify it. Now you can see that children, we are having here the multiplication, plus, minus, 3 type of operations we are having. So again we have to apply the BODMAS here. So the question is 10 times 16 plus 12 times 3 minus 9 times 8, or you can say 10 multiplied by 16 plus 12 multiplied by 3 minus 9 multiplied by 8. Now we'll do the multiplication first. So after multiplying 10 and 16, we get 160. After this, we are having a plus sign, so you have to copy the plus sign as it is. So now we'll multiply 12 and 3. So after multiplying 12 and 3, we get 36. Now after this, we are having a minus sign. So note down the minus sign as it is. Now we are having 9 multiplied by 8, that is 72. Now our expression is 160 plus 36 minus 72. So according to BODMAS, we have to do the addition first and then we do the subtraction. So now you have to add 160 and 36. So after adding 160 and 36, we get 196. Now you write 196 minus 72. Now you have to subtract. So after subtracting 196 and 72, we get our answer 124. So 100 is the answer for the given numeric expression. We have simplified it. Now see one more numeric expression, that is question number 3, B part. That is 11 multiplied by 2 plus 23 multiplied by 9 minus 2 multiplied by 120. Now again children, you have to apply BODMAS. That is, I am repeating again, BODMAS. Full form of BODMAS is, first you have to solve the bracket, then off. After that you have to solve division. Then after division, multiplication. After multiplication you have to solve addition, and at the last you have to do the subtraction. Okay, now come back to our question. So 11 multiplied by 12 is 132. When you multiply 11 and 12, you get 132. Next, we have to copy 20. You have to multiply 23 and 9. So when you multiply 23 and 9, you get 207. Now you have to multiply 2 and 120. So after multiplying these two, we get 240. Now you do the addition. Now our expression is 132 plus 207 minus 240. Now you do the addition first. So add 132 and 207. So after adding both these numbers, we get 339. Minus, we are having 240. Now you have to subtract 339 and 240. So you get 99. When you subtract 339 and 240, you get the answer 99. So 99 is our answer for this given numeric expression. I hope children you all understood this. I hope you will not do any mistake. You will follow the rules of BODMAS. If you follow the rules of BODMAS, there will be no mistake while doing this such type of expression. And please don't skip any of the step. Now, thank you so much.